Hey guys, I'm Subha and I am making this quick video to let you know that there is a brand new software called Best Maze Generator is live now. It's really good software and it creates artistic maze puzzle books really fast. You can see there are a lot of artistic maze templates here and I am just testing this out. It released yesterday and today is the second day of the launch. 2 more days to go, and during the launch you can get massive discount on their front-end version, pro version, premium version and elite versions. The launch is still on and it will end on 10th of October. Let me quickly show you what's included in each version of this software. Once we go to our apps, here we are going to under activity apps, you will find this software Best Maze Generator, and it has front-end version, pro version, premium version and elite version. I have access to all of these. If I click on this one or this one or this one, I will have features of all the versions here. So I will quickly show you software in action, then I will show you the features of each version and then the pricing. We have our default collection. If you want to create new collection, you can always go back and you can create a new collection here, access now, and here you can type anything, artistic mazes, and you can click on create collection, click on this collection. Here you will see the maze generator components, and here is the grid icons, and then is the upload, then is the elements. First of all, you can go to settings and here you can adjust your page layout. From the settings you can select any trim size. I am selecting 8.5 into 11 inches. If you want to add the page numbers, you can select here. There are multiple options for adding page numbers. Page 1 or 1 of 100, and you can also select page starting at. You can also set the margins here. I am selecting all, margin to 0.5, show margins, and then click on pages to download all pages. You can also select the specific pages or maximum pages per file. This is up to you. I am selecting all pages, then click update. You will see the margins and here the page numbers. Now you can go back to the Best Maze Generator components. There are 500 mazes included in all the upgrades. So in the front end version you may have access to a set number of maze variations or maze puzzles. First of all, if you go with any maze component here, just click on here. In just one click it will be added here. You can resize it, you can scale it down or you can scale it up. You can scale it down, move around and place anywhere on the page. Then you can also select the color and thickness of the solution. As we create black and white books on Amazon, so I will be selecting a grayish color, then click update. You can also check the solution if you want to. Like you can see, this would be our solution page. Now here you can upload your own images and start creating your artistic maze puzzle book. You can go to upload and upload your elements here. For the time being, I am adding built-in elements from within the app. We will go to the grid icons. Here I can select elements in the front-end version. I will show you in a minute what's included in the front-end version. Just click on one of them. It will be added here. Here you can select any icon. It will be added here. You can change the size like this. And you can also add more elements here. And then if you want to create another page, just simply clone the page. And this time you can add different variations or different icons here. Like you can go back to here, just delete this one. You can add a blank page, clone the page. You can also add text element here, shuffle pages by using this arrow. You can click on the show solutions and add the solution pages. You have multiple options here. You can also flip images. You can click this element or component, go to here, and it has 2 options, flip vertically or flip horizontally. You can also edit this path and everything. If you have access to their one of the upgrades, I think this would be the part of one of the upgrades where you can edit your mazes. Let me quickly add one more. All you need to do is add your icons. If you purchase one of the upgrade, you will have access to these grid icons, which you can add and quickly create your maze puzzles, images and icons you can use. Let's show what is included in different versions of this app. This is the Best Maze Generator by Niranjan and BP Mishra. They have created a lot of useful apps. I have been using their instant puzzle generator and math worksheet generator and a couple of others. I got really good results with math worksheet generator. The launch is 7th November 11 EST. It's already happening and the closing date is 10th November 2025. Almost 2 days are left. So this is the front end version. feature that is only $47 during the launch. After the launch, it would be $147. You can get $100 off during the launch. The front-end product consists of the following features. You can create hard-selling evergreen hand-drawn maze books easily, intuitive point-and-click dashboard for smooth handling, professionally crafted hand-drawn maze designs, 50 program illustration maze templates, one-click maze insertion, drag-and-drop maze resizer, quick maze replacement to swap designs, instantly add text using drag-and-drop text editor, 900 plus font options. Show maze solution option is also available. Powerful single clone feature to duplicate your formatted page in one click. Shuffle pages one by one. Automatic page number insertion. Multiple trim size for KDP compatibility. Page margin viewer to keep layouts perfectly aligned. Insert your own images one by one to create unique page layouts right inside the app. Print ready 300 DPI images for professional quality books. Download a single worksheet or entire book with one click. Download files in multiple formats including PDF, PNG and JPG. PowerPoint is not available in front-end version. You can import files easily to Affinity, Designer, Photoshop, Illustrator, PowerPoint or Canva. Work at any zoom level for precision editing. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V supported for all elements on the page. Transient saves ensures you don't lose work. Up to 100 downloads per month. This is the front-end version. Detailed training provided, a dedicated support team, liberal commercial use. Create, sell and scale with peace of mind. So this is the front-end version. Everything is included for only $47 during the launch. After the launch, it would be $147. This is the time to get massive discount on that. Best Maze Generator Pro, it's currently $67. It includes unlimited downloads per month. Download as PowerPoint files, 50 more brand new artistic maze templates, global randomizer feature, easy image upload functionality to add your own visuals for 100% unique layouts, upload multiple images in one go. In the previous version, you can upload one by one, but here you can bulk upload your images. Unlimited color palettes options, customize maze walls, solution paths, fonts and more, bulk shuffle option, bulk delete option, bulk clone option to copy your master page settings in any number of new pages in one go. Detailed training, support and commercial use license is included as well. Then is the optional upgrade to currently $197 Smart Maze Editor. You can edit your mazes, take full creative control of your maze solutions, choose or alter solution paths like a true artist without needing artistic skills, multiple solution path styles to add variety and sophistication. 200 additional programmed illustration maze layouts, giving you even more flexibility to diversify your books. 300 premium holiday theme page layouts. Here are these page layouts. If you go here, page layouts, these are included here. These are the holiday themed pages. View 119 more. I think training, dedicated support and liberal commercial use rights. Finally, the third upgrade is Best Maze Generator Elite. It has 500 plus premium icons. These are the icons they are talking about. In the front end version, these are not included. If you upgrade to their OTO 3, you will have access to these elements. Extracted directly from our maze layouts, ready to enhance and theme your puzzle pages. 500 plus matching illustration. These are also included. 500 plus VBox content icons. These are also included. Design assets across multiple holiday dishes, detailed training, dedicated support, commercial license. So this is the pricing. Front-end version is $47 during the launch. After the launch, it would be $147. OTO1 is $67 only, which includes bulk loan, bulk shuffle, global color, randomized feature, PowerPoint file, and a lot of other features. It is $67 only. And after the launch, it would be $147. OTO2 currently $197, and after the launch, it would be $697. Let me show you what is included in OTO2. Smart Maze Editor, 200 additional programmed illustration, 300 premium holiday theme page layout. Okay, this is included in OTO2. $197 currently, and after the launch, it would be $697. And OTO3 is $97. After the launch, it would be $197. Let's see what is included in OTO3. 500 premium icons, 500 matching illustration, 500 plus view box content icons, design assets across multiple holiday editions. So these are the features and prices during the launch and after the launch. Link is in the description below if you want to check this out, and I think this is the best time. Once Niranjan and team increases the price, they never give any discount later on after the launch. The prices would be final and they will increase forever. So link is in the description below. Check this out and take advantage of this evergreen niche on Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. See you in the next video.